Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials: a photo ID, your account number, and the phone you want to register. Once ready, open the bank app or website and sign in with your secure credentials or biometrics. Navigate straight to Profile or Settings, then Contact Info. Choose Mobile or Phone Number and tap Edit. You do this now to trigger the bank's verification flow. It's faster to complete the identity checks before making any changes. Once you enter the new phone number, the bank usually sends an OTP to confirm ownership. Enter that code promptly. If the bank requests additional proof, upload a clear photo of your ID or complete a brief video verification. Make sure to follow prompts exactly because mismatched info causes rejection. For joint accounts, pause and get authorization from the other signer. The bank may require their consent. After verification, review the changes and submit. After submission, confirm the update by requesting an OTP or triggering an alert to the new number. This proves the change worked. Once confirmed, update link services like bill pay, debit card alerts, and external transfer destinations to avoid missed notifications. Record the update date and any confirmation ID. If something goes wrong, codes not arriving or change pending, contact bank support through secure messaging, call their verified number, or visit a branch with your ID. That usually resolves pending verification or authorization holds quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.